过来关心国际消息，美国总统川普打算要伫咧芝加哥部署国民兵来打击犯罪。伊利诺州的州长就批评川普安尼实在是真独裁，伊根本就是想要趁机会来进行政治打压。另外，已经部署伫咧华府国民兵，为即礼拜开始，身躯顶拢会载武器巡逻。
美国总统川普指示9月份部署几啊千个国民兵去芝加哥，加强打击犯罪甲非法的移民，引起伊利诺伊州州长强烈的反对，讲会采取法律的行动来阻挡部署，指控川普是想要用这个手段对民主党控制的城市政治打压。
We have made no requests for federal intervention, none, and ask if they want their neighborhoods turned into a war zone by a wannabe dictator.
I'm not a dictator. I'm a man with great common sense and I'm a smart person.
普利兹克认为讲，这完全是川普咧找理由，要甲军队部署去南州或者是内底的城市，来威胁伊的政治对手。普利兹克是民主党人，嘛是好野人，互看作是2028年竞选总统可能的人选。顶个月初就已经部署国民兵的华府，伫国防部长赫格塞斯顶礼拜批准会当炸枪了后，即马伫咧街路，拢会当看到国民兵炸武器伫咧路面巡逻。
It's a unique sight indeed to see members of the National Guard wearing fatigues and carrying weapons and walking around the nation's capital. It's also worth noting that National Guard members have been seen cleaning areas and carrying garbage bags in what they are saying is part of a broader beautification effort to improve neighborhoods.
川普迄一日还阁下令国防部，确保每一个州拢爱部署国民兵，会当快速动员，协助平息动乱。还阁应该爱成立一支快速反应部队，会当伫咧全国部署。公司新闻，林编译。